welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today with another box with Adil Ouda. It's not a box, it's just an envelope, but it's something that we purchased. So let's see, it's here, it's an envelope. So I'm gonna open it right now from here. Let's see what it is. We have been receiving some, like last week, we received like 3 or 4 boxes. They were so huge. And inside the box were something very, very small. And one of the boxes, if you can see in here in the same YouTube channel, they say there was a box, inside a box, inside a box, inside a box. And then at the end, it was like I think it was like a chip or a charger or something. It was very small thing, very small item. So now here, I think it might be, that's something what I was talking about right now. So here it is. It is the Samsung SIM card, 64 Gray Micro SDXC Evo Plus. This is how it is, and this is the back of it. So it's a read speed up to 100 Mbps. And writing speed is up to 60 Mbps. And Samsung, it has the SD adapter for micro SD, and then the SD card, the micro SD here, the micro SD, and this is the adapter. It shows here that it's waterproof and magnet proof. Waterproof and magnet proof. Limited warranty. And yeah, we open it from here and it's ready to go. Yeah, it's so small, it's very small. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and watch us on the next Unboxing Canada, as we still have some boxes around. Have a good night.